Hi, and welcome back to Elements of Food. Today we'll be making Mediterranean lamb with saffron rice. Start with cleaning half a rack of lamb. Take the top layer of fat off or have the butcher prep it for you. Clean about 2 inches of bone like I'm doing here, then set it aside, and let's start on our marinade. You'll need half teaspoon of peppercorns, half teaspoon of Himalayan salt, 1 teaspoon of dry thyme, quarter diced shallot, 2 garlic cloves, 1 tablespoon of fresh mint, 2 tablespoons of parsley, and 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Start by grinding your dry ingredients first, then add your fresh. Grind until you have a paste-like consistency. Once the paste is done, coat the lamb evenly, then let it marinate for at least 24 hours. After 24 hours, bake at 350 for roughly 35 minutes. You want it to be at least 125 to 130 degrees if you want it medium, or cook to your preference. And while that's cooking, it's a perfect time to start on the rice. Dice a quarter of an onion, then finely grind 1 teaspoon of saffron. Add a tablespoon of olive oil to a hot pot, then add your onions. Cook until they are translucent, then add your rinsed jasmine rice. After about a minute, add your 3 cups of hot water. Time to add the saffron. Make sure you get every bit of it, it's really expensive. Add 1 to 1.5 tablespoons of chicken bouillon. At medium heat, let it simmer for 10 to 15 minutes. Once the liquid has reduced, turn the heat to low and let it sit for an additional 10 minutes. Now let's make some delicious tzatziki. Start with 1 cucumber. Use a fine grater to shave the cucumber. Peeling and coring is optional. Once grated, add 1 teaspoon of salt, mix in and set aside for 30 minutes to extract excess liquid. In a second bowl, add the remaining ingredients. Strain your cucumber really well, then add it to your yogurt mix. And lastly, your garnish. You'll need 2 tablespoons of capers, quarter cup of Guatemalan olives, 2 tablespoons of parsley, 1 garlic clove, 2 tablespoons of shallots, half lemon, 3 tablespoons of olive oil, and salt and pepper to taste. It's time to pull the lamb. Cut between each bone like this. Your lamb should be between 125 to 130 degrees, perfectly pink. Now it's time to eat. This should feed between 2 to 3 people, depending on your serving size. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye for now!